Baro Shkatup Khubor Jungi Karan Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentaga sngi kilong. Amla yashim benta Menteri Rang Badu Narendra Modi haka jingra ke san posnam ka jingyo jilla Khubor Na Ka Jylla Meghalaya. Kentat usembut Menteri Rang Ba badan ka jingti doyong bean ha Meghalaya. Dei ban buat perking yaki an ka kwat ka kya ha ki jaka rung sa Meghalaya ong usembut Menteri Rang Ba upreston tensong. Ensong pelan mongor patang membeti tilukot ka Meghalaya ASHA School Association ha kendai lat ha kasni rakhe yo jilla pura. But wenjing yaki ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya bakular pendiang tulok pasolkar jilla. Pementai ni apaj ki Khubor ki bakam bania. Menteri Rang Ba do kari Narendra Modi ula pentep ya Menteri Rang Ba ka Meghalaya u konrat ke sangma ba onomla ban wandala desha Meghalaya ban ya shimbenta ha ka jingra khe ka jingdap san posnam ka jingyo ya ka jilla bapura ha ka arphoi tarik u klalungkot ar hajar arphoar usembut Menteri Rang Ba u ba preston tensong ulayat ho ba Menteri Rang Ba do Narendra Modi unsa shupha yaki kentin kit bok kit ruang lengba ki kor ki bor ka juk menta
Prime Minister la communicate unam la banwan den re kan don ka kan just statement ka bun ai mu visually ya kan e kidang walk out na kaliang chief secretary na kaliang ka department concern ha ka ba fit in ha ka to ka program ka ba ngin ya rakhe ha ka arpoitrik ka bor karwe ji hang te ha po Nehru Stadium ha po program.
Usembut Menteri Rang Ba ka Meghalaya menta ka sngi ulaong baka jing keno baka don ka jing ti bat jing khayi bean ye udoyong kadai ka bamla priang satya haba pensyai halor ka jing keno da unong ya lam kaliang persya u Dr Mukul M Sangma uba preston tensong uong ambaro ki kam bean ni le thok ki dei ba pha da ka sarkar uong ru baka NGT kadon ban pet yakum kitei lada don shisha.
NGT is already in place. SIT has been constituted by the NGT. So we don't have a jurisdiction on that. I think the best agency would be NGT only. So therefore, as I said to you, I don't know why LO says that you need again another body to go in deep to this alleged illegal mining activities that has happened in our state. But I'm just telling you, NGT is monitoring on a very regular basis. They are monitoring in a very, very regular basis about the illegal mining activities.
Deban buat perking yaki kendon ka kot ka kya haki jakarong sa Meghalaya laong usembut Menteri Rang Ba uba preston tensong. Habakran hakilar patai Khubor uba tensong ulaong baka jingbut perking kan pentikna ba kibawan rung kilong kibalat na uknyang jingpang bat kani kan bu jing shnga nyaki badon hapo ka jilla.
At least if the test is negative, I mean you are normal. Okay, good, fine. Even you yourself you feel comfortable. Since you tested yourself and you are negative, then nothing again. So this is the intention of the government. That's what we have to do today. Why we are doing this? As I said, you see, we have spent a lot of time. All officers, team of doctors, team of people which we engage in the entry point. It's huge. In fact, we really don't want, but we can't help it. The situation demanded that we have to do it. So we are doing it.
Menteri Rang Ba ukonrat ke sangma baru Thomas sangma mentagasngi kila job suk ya kashuki National President but National Secretary jongka National People's Party. Kini ki arngut kinong yalam jong ke NPP kila job suk nakadawa umdan ba aireng ya kitay ki artli ki kam. Ya kani ka jingsha je jong kitay ki arngut kinong kit kam ba hakli do jong ke NPP lapen bena da u returning officer u Abhe Kashyap haka jingjit nong kit kam thamai ba lapen long halua la Shumer ha Shillong.
When you talk post president, but when you talk post national general secretary, post treasurer umdan betap nomination. Hadin bagla akut support handru tadi. Dimana kesini lagi syong nomor bomdan kan. Kenu ka kawai pat ka ayu bentep kan ka ayu bentep ka nomination paper. Kumtala rai ba yau konrat ke sama lagi yang national president baru Thomas sama kudu organizing general secretary.
Kinohikai School hapok kalama jongka Meghalaya ASHA School Association mentaka sengi kila penbena patba bakin penlong ya ke jingshong kelan mongor ha khandailat ha ka art hoi terik mentau benai ka sengi baka Meghalaya ka rakhi ya ke jingyo jela bapura ya kani la ya thu da president jongka seng uba Aristotle Rembai shu ula ong bahakate ka sengi kandon ru ka jingthang mombati ha ka por janmit.
So after this letter campaign ended, we are getting no response from the government side. So we, the General Executive Committee of the Meghalaya ASHA School Association Central Body, unanimously we have taken a decision to move ahead with our agitation program on 21st January 2022. So because of the no response from the government side, it has compelled us to take this decision. Even though we understand, we are concerned of the situation and the restriction because of the COVID-19, but we have to take this decision because there is no response from the government side. So we have decided to go ahead with our agitation, that is a black flag sit-in demonstration and a candlelight vigil at Khandailat, okay, Police Bazaar, in front of the old Meghalaya Legislative Building on 21st January 2022.
Kinohikai School Deficit hapok kalama jongka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya mentaka sengi kila penbena bakila wengno ya ka jingya ki jongki namarba mentaka sengi kila yo banyak keran ber sekretari ka thok ka puli u Ambros Marak halor ki jing jongki. Habakran hakinong thok kot Khubor u President jongkani ka seng uba Kenneth Shadap ulaya thu baka sorkar kala pensngau bakanom la ban kudup yaki kum kinong hikai sorkar henrei nang ne shakmat kan pet ba kita ki tulop kinong kibabet babiang
namar ka sorkar kan sapek ya kani ka last proportion ka BPI di henrei na kaliang jong u asuri baka sorkar menta kan sim serius ya kani ka tam jong pi kan le sisya ya kani ka tam jong pi nangta ulong hiru ba akakerteng jong ka sorkar ki kumunong dalam sawan mi sani na kapor sa kapor kanang bapinduktim kay baka sorkar kan le dan mangiru namarba kumbangilaong himo hakmat jong piyeseru baro ba kajingyang jemi kabakong santam kani baka sorkar kampat dan raya baka sorkar kalakot bat kala menjuru bansim ya katu ka last option ngiru nilas maudai hiba ya mentangin withdraw no iswa ya kani ka agitational program jumi ngin sapek pat hadin pat kai ka bansalong kai ka bansaja dan rai ngingaki wat ka porjong ka jakatam mensuaru sisin balakot ida ka sorkar kakum balaya keren kale ya kata
Badak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi sikapakut tat hadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.